The wiper washer lever to the right of the steering column operates your windshield wipers and washer. It has 4 operating speeds to choose from. Rotate the end of the lever up from the off position to the first position for low-speed intermittent wipers. Rotate to the second position for high-speed intermittent wipers. The third position gives you low-speed continuous wipers, and the fourth position delivers continuous high-speed wipers. If there's been an unexpected splash, or if you're passing in the rain, move the lever all the way up and hold it there for temporary high-speed wipers. They'll run as long as you hold the lever in that position. To operate the washer jets, pull the lever toward you. The washer jet will run along with the wipers as you hold the lever. The wipers will continue for a few wipes after you release the lever and finish with a final cleaning stroke after a few seconds. To operate the rear wiper, rotate the lever to the rear window wiper icon. It will operate at intermittent speed if the front wiper is not active. If the front wiper is active, the rear window wiper operates at half the speed of the front windshield wiper. And if the windshield wiper is active and you put the vehicle into reverse gear, the rear window wiper will automatically turn on in a slow, continuous mode. To operate the rear window washer function, push the lever away from you. The washer jet will continue to operate, and the wiper will turn on as long as you hold the lever in this position. The wiper will continue on for a few wipes after you release the lever, and finish with a final cleaning stroke after a few seconds. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.